Hey, hola. So what are we doing today?
Today we are taking care of the horses.
Okay, you're gonna show us what to do and how to take care of horses.
Wait.
All right. So what are we gonna do?
Today we're gonna take care of the horses.
All right. So
Yes.
let's go.
Yep.
Hi, Jakey. All right.
I'm stuck.
Hi, Stock.
That one bites.
Okay, Ola, introduce us to the horses. Ginger. Hi, Ginger. She needs a shower.
This is and there's a big syrup. So I was feeding her one day, and then she just stepped on my foot.
She stepped on your foot.
Okay, so
Hey, guys, Grandpa's here.
I see needs some water. Okay, so I see water container is so one tip about horses, when you pet a horse, you always got to do it hard, because since they have thick skin, they can't really feel you if you pet it like this.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and guys, what is that horse doing?
Scratching himself.
It's really funny. And if a horse ever gets near you and you feel uncomfortable with it, like for example, you just do this. If iced tea is right close to you, you just do this, push it away. Just push his face.
Yeah, no, maybe?
Yeah, we are.
All right. So I guess we see you horses later.
No, wait, not. So anyways, we didn't introduce you to all the horses yet. So names I don't know. This is
Donnie.
Donnie.
Hi, Donnie.
I haven't really pet him at all.
Okay.
So he's
Just be careful. There we go.
This is Indy.
Hi, Imbir.
I also don't really think this bad.
All right, he's eating right now. So, oh, there you go. Careful.
This is Mary. Mary, I don't think she wants pets.
Okay.
Because she's already
She's shy. Got it. Hi, Iga.
she looks a little dirty from the back, so
Mm-hmm. Needs a shower. Got it.
yeah, she got it. This is Ice Tea.
Hi, Ice
She
Tea.
can do it like a trick. Let me see if she's gonna do it. Push.
Okay.
These horses don't probably understand us because they're Polish horses.
Okay.
So if we go here, watch this. Here was.
Look right behind me. Look what he's gonna do. Look what he's doing.
Ah.
Right. Here's Ginger. He also needs a bath because look at this You can also feel it. Right here, if you feel it, that's dirty. Take one. It's really pretty because she, I don't know the exact name, but
Yeah,
they have really pretty white lashes. Also, this is salt. I like stealing some.
Okay, what's this one's name?
This is Ixie.
Hi, Ixie.
What's this one's name? Ixie. This is not the one who stepped on it.
What is on it now?
Yeah, it's
She's named after what? A very famous volcano in Sicily.
This one is this person gives us a lot of
Okay.
I don't know how to pronounce his name.
It looks like Mihet.
that name.
Witam, dzień dobry.
Okay, you can do that. Okay, since it doesn't work, you can go to the other side now.
Ola, move back. A to on kieruje? Kuwait! Oh my gosh! He's actually driving that thing.
Okay, so this is the other table, so we do have time to do this. But anyways, this is Garden.
I don't really do anything with this horse. She's just
So some of these horses I don't really know, so this is one of them. Indy, I also don't really know, but she is really beautiful as you can see. But very cute.
okay, this is
Look here.
This horse is, well, you could say she's really like crazy.
Mhm.
I don't know how to pronounce it.
Diakontina.
Also one of those like translation horses. I don't even know how to say those, but
Mhm.
yeah. This is Kashka.
Hi, Kashka.
She is chill, I guess.
Hi.
And yes, we do ride horses. We might do. We're gonna do a video today of them.
Okay.
This one, I don't know its name. This one's easy. He's a goofball.
Sometimes, like when we go like watch the horse we ride, which we're gonna show in a second, over here, Idia is always popping out like this. She always does that.
Kajtek, Mika, and Filip.
Yes, that's Kajtek, the horse we ride.
Hi,
This is
Kajtek.
Mika, the other horse, and that's Filip.
Hi, Kajtek.
Yeah,
That's the one you ride?
Kajtek.
All right.
So
Come
we're
on,
gonna
let's.
be riding him today too.
Cool. Let's name them quickly and head home.
Yeah.
Już idziemy. Go quickly, Olka.
This is Golden.
Okay.
I think she bites because her cage is closed.
Okay.
This is if you come over here on this side, she's missing an eye. I don't know if you guys can really see because she's eating right now.
No, I can't really see.
Here's another horse I don't know the name. This is Dominia. I think it's only her. Wait, no, there's no horses in here. This was a horse I used to ride with an old trainer.
Pikus, yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
But he retired, so.
Gotcha.
This is Rubia. I don't even
Lubalu.
know the-
Hi, Lubalu.
I don't really pet her. I don't know. You guys shouldn't pet this one. This one's a mother.
Oh, she has a little one?
The
Okay.
big one bites.
Okay.
So you should be careful when you
Gotcha.
have
Oh, this is a great experience. Why do we have so many birds flying up on top?
Well, there's a lot of nests here that birds make.
Mm-hmm. What
Out
do
of
those
the
birds
hay.
eat?
The birds probably eat
Oh, those flies that are flying around, right?
There's flies. Oh.
All right. So let's head home, and maybe later we can show them how we ride around the horses. All right.
And
Let's
my
do it.
dad's first time, because he just got to Poland.
Yep. All right. I'm very excited to see it.
And before we end the video, I'm going to show you how to give a horse hay real quick.
Okay.
So you see this big stuff? You can just pull out some hay aggressively. Sometimes they just doesn't come out. You can go to a horse. I'm going to go to Kajtek. I don't know if you want to, but I just,
He's already eating, I think.
I don't know. But let's see if he even
There you go.
And then you just give it. Oh no, we got Mika older. Come on, let's
All right. So we see you guys
go. Later.
later. Peace.